So once you draw the blood, it goes to the plasma filter. Plasma filter rate 1, it is entering the plasma filter from down. This is the plasma filter. It is available in the market in the children. This is smaller size, adult is the one size, P2S and P1 is. And when it comes, you can see this is plasma accumulates. This is plasma accumulates from down. The lower part, you have to stop, and you have to keep the dialysis machine on the bypass mode. So no blood is required. You can do it in the ward also, any ward.
No water connection is required. You can do it bedside.
And this is the plasma is coming, and after that it is coming through the upper port. This is collecting the plasma in the bag. You have to be a calibrated bag, otherwise you cannot see. You can put an euro bag over there. Okay, so once plasma comes, it should be very clear. If you see any reddish plasma coming out of it, you can say that there is a rupture of the membrane. You immediately discard the whole thing, because there is a rupture of the membrane. There is a problem. There is a hemolysis, and the hemolysis related complication of the patient. Once the plasma comes out, it is collected within this bag. And the replacement of the plasma you can do as telling. This can be a group you already know. You can do it in the middle, because there is a possibility of hypotension, or you can do it at the end if the patient is hemodynamically stable. Then you remove this amount, suppose 1.8 liter you have removed, and then you calculate it how much plasma is required, and then some amount of this is a renal lactate also you can give.
So actually, this is something called a rule of one third. So first